about to leave. Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with a hacks video, and today's video is going to be a car packing hacks video, just in time if you're about to head to a festival. Many of us have small cars and there's a lot of things you need to cram in when you are going to a festival. So I'm going to be sharing some hacks to help you make sure your car is packed really efficiently and safely. So hopefully you'll be able to spend less time worrying about cramming everything into your car and more time enjoying the road trip down to the festival. This video has been very kindly sponsored by Marmalade. Marmalade empower young drivers to get on the road and enjoy the freedom that brings them. I'll leave Marmalade's website down in the description box for you. Head over there to check out great deals on car insurance and cars. Now before we get going, if you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week, and if you enjoy this car packing hacks video, do give this video a little thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below if you've got any tips and tricks for making the most of the space in your car as well. So my first tip, if you're traveling with a group of friends, is not to double up anything. So get on the group chat and check who's bringing the tent, who's bringing bedding, who's bringing any camping chairs, and just make sure that none of you are bringing things twice. Line the boot with tarpaulin. It'll keep the car nice and clean for when things get muddy, and also if it does rain you can always double it up and use it as a poncho. Pack things into crates in the boot. Not only will they keep everything really tidy, you can also double them up as seats to sit on and little tables in your tent, which will save you the space of packing camping chairs. I always recommend bringing lots of bedding to a festival. You can never have enough. I seem to have dressed as my bedding today, which is unfortunate, but this is bulky, so what I like to do with this is lay it on the back seat so that it can be out of the way. You're not going to clog up the boot with it, and whoever's sitting back there can get nice and cozy for the journey. Just make sure that the seat belts can still fasten alright. Don't forget there's lots of space under the seats that you can use to store items. It's perfect for storing things like your wellies and big bulky boots. Pack a bucket and some toilet essentials, toilet roll, and make sure you take some antibacterial hand gel, because you never know when that portaloo is going to be blocked and you're caught short. You'll be very grateful of your bucket. A pop-up laundry bin is really handy. It will pack up flat, so it's not going to take up any space in your car, but at the end of the festival you can chuck in all your dirty clothes and they will be good to go straight to mum. I mean the washing machine that you'll do yourself, right? Packing a cool box or a cool bag with some freezer blocks is a great idea, because then you can pop some drinks in and you'll have them nice and cold ready while you're pitching your tent. What do we think? What are the chances? And when you're packing your boot, remember that you want to pack it all down nice and flat so that you can still see out of your rear view window. Shower caps are a great thing to take with you. You can pick these up in hotels and they're really good to pop over your shoes if you don't want to get your trainers muddy, or if you've got muddy boots at the end of the festival, you can pop these over them to stop your car getting all mucky. Carabiners and metal hooks are really handy to hook onto the back of seats, and then you can hang bags in the back for some extra storage. Then rather than packing a pillow, you can just pack the pillowcase and then stuff your coat and any soft clothing items into that. So you'll save some space, you've got a way to transport them, and then you'll have somewhere to lay your head to rest if you do manage to catch any sleep, that is. Bulldog clips are really handy for storing things around the car, especially things you need close to hand when you're driving. You can store things up on the visor here. I recommend that you peg your festival tickets up there, because the last thing you want to do is arrive at your festival and realise that you've left your tickets at home. You can also store your sunglasses in those as well. You can also use them to make a phone holder if you want to use your phone as a sat nav. An old chewing gum container can be used to store all your coins in, so you've always got them handy for when you encounter any road tolls. Something that's really handy to pack is a roll of duct tape. Not only can this make a drinks holder, you can pop it on a seat and it will stop your drink from spilling, it's also really handy just in case your tent rips or springs a leak, you'll be able to patch it up. So there we go. I really hope you enjoyed all of these car packing hacks. Let me know down in the comments below which one you found the most useful, and if you've got any, I would love to hear them. So do drop me a comment down there. Don't forget to check out Marmalade's website for great deals on car insurance and cars. I'll leave their website link down below. If you're heading to a festival, I hope you have a brilliant time. Oh, it's just started raining. That is classic, and the wind is picking up. I really hope you enjoy whatever festival you're heading to. Have a safe trip there, enjoy yourself, and hopefully these hacks have come in handy for you. If you're new here, don't forget to click subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week, and do give this video a little thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye. Remember, when you're packing your boot, not to pack it too high. You want to be able to see out of your rear view mirror window. Think I've lost the plot. This might be required to get the tent pitched.